Welcome back to Turbo Drive Car Channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the stunning 2027 Lexus LC500, a luxury grand tourer that continues to prove style and performance can exist in perfect harmony. From the very first glance, the new LC500 captures attention with its bold spindle grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, sculpted hood, and sleek coupe silhouette. Every curve has been refined to improve both aerodynamics and visual appeal, giving this premium sports coupe an even more commanding road presence than before. Step inside, and the cabin instantly surrounds you with luxury. Premium leather upholstery, handcrafted interior details, aluminum accents, and a driver-focused cockpit create an experience that feels both elegant and sporty. The latest infotainment system features a larger high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Mark Levinson audio system, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and advanced voice controls. Comfortable sports seats with heating, ventilation, and memory functions make every drive enjoyable, whether you're commuting through the city or cruising on the highway. Under the hood, the 2027 Lexus LC500 proudly keeps its legendary naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine alive. Producing around 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque, it delivers instant throttle response and an unforgettable exhaust note that true driving enthusiasts will appreciate. The smooth 10-speed automatic transmission shifts with precision, sending power to the rear wheels for an engaging and balanced driving experience. With refined suspension tuning, adaptive dampers, and precise steering, the LC500 offers exceptional stability through corners while maintaining a comfortable ride for long-distance touring. Safety remains one of Lexus' strongest qualities. The latest Lexus Safety System Plus includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. These intelligent features work together to increase driver confidence without taking away from the excitement behind the wheel. The 2027 Lexus LC500 isn't built to chase the highest horsepower numbers. Instead, it delivers something much rarer: timeless design, world-class craftsmanship, thrilling V8 performance, and everyday comfort in one unforgettable package. It's a car that turns every journey into a special occasion and reminds us why naturally aspirated performance still has a place in today's automotive world. Thanks for watching Turbo Drive Car Channel. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest luxury and performance car reviews.